Hey everyone, we are here for an exciting time with you. It's me, Aditya, Shruti, Suhani, and Archie. We are the students of Christ University, and we are going to teach you today how you can talk about your likes and dislikes in French with the correct words and their meanings. In French, we can say it less preference. We will talk about the usage of following three words and their negatives. The words are aimer, adore, détester. So let's start.
The first word is aim. It is a verb which means to like. For example, it can be used in a sentence like Je aime les cinémas, which translates to I like the cinemas. Now, we will learn how to conjugate the verb aim with different pronouns in French. Since it is a verb ending with er, so it is a regular verb. So, the conjugation for the regular verb are as follows. For J, it will be J apostrophe aim. This is because of the vowel appearing in the beginning of the verb, which is A in aim. So, together it will be J apostrophe aim. Once again, for J, it is J aim, which means I like. Then it's tu aimes, il aime, elle aime, nous aimons, vous aimez, ils aiment, and elles aiment. So this is how we conjugate the verb aim.
The second verb is adore, which means to love. An example of how we can use this verb in a sentence is J'adore voyager, which means I love traveling. Conjugation of this verb is similar to that of the previous verb because this is also an ER verb. So the conjugation of this verb is as follows. Je plus adore gives j'adore, tu adores, il adore, elle adore, nous adorons, vous adorez, ils adorent, and elles adorent.
The last word that we are going to learn about is détester, that is to hate. It expresses strong dislike over a thing. For example, elle déteste les chocolates, which means that she hates the chocolate. It is also a regular verb, so its conjugation is je déteste, tu détestes, il déteste, elle déteste, nous détestons, vous détestez, il déteste, elle déteste.
Now, we will see how to convert the sentences consisting these verbs into its negative.
While converting these sentences to their negatives, we use the phrase ne pas. Ne is used prior to the verb and pas is used after it. For better understanding, we'll use the previously discussed examples. In the sentence, j'aime le cinéma, we add ne before the verb aim and pas after it. So the sentence turns out to be je n'aime pas le cinéma, which literally means I don't like the cinema. Similarly, the other examples' negatives are je n'adore pas le voyage, elle ne déteste pas le chocolat.
Also, one more thing to look while converting into negative is the type of articles we use in the sentence. If we use definite articles, the rule of transforming sentences are the same, but if we use indefinite articles, rules are changed. Like the or the will replace with the un, thus. I hope we are able to teach you the basics of preference in French. Just keep in the mind the subject, verb or conjunctions. And the most important thing, to keep practicing them time to time. Thank you for your time and happy learning.